Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about continue chapter 3 Union Government. Today's topic is mainly composition and functions of Union Council of Ministers and powers and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Okay, let us discuss about chapter 3 Union Government. Yesterday class we will discuss about Prime Minister apology and some functions of Supreme Court of India and main important of the President rule, article number 356. Okay, article number 356 about President rule. Okay, today's topic is composition and functions of Union Council of Minister. Union Council of Minister. Okay, how to will selected mainly Prime Minister. Prime Minister will discuss about under the President. Okay, here final list given under the President. Final list. The list is mainly prepared by Prime Minister and the selected member under the President type of system. Composition and functions of Union Council of Ministers and powers and functions. Powers and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Okay, here these are mainly two topics: composition and functions. What is main functions of Union Council of Ministers? First one topic. Second one topic is powers and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Okay, here number one, cabinet ministers. Okay, cabinet minister. Next, Union Council. Number two, Union Council of Ministers. Okay, composition and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Number one, cabinet minister. Okay, who is the main cabinet minister? Cabinet means yesterday already we discussed about cabinet. What is the meaning of cabinet? Cabinet means prime minister and other union ministers. Okay, prime ministers and other union ministers total belongs to under the control by the cabinet. The cabinet minister controlled by who is the head of the cabinet? PM, prime minister. Okay. The cabinet minister controlled by the minister under the central level. Okay, next Union Council. Union Council is vice versa. State vice council. Union Council. Here two type of system there. Union Council. It is mainly discussed about system of these countries. Okay, cabinet ministers. Composition and functions of Council of Minister. Here number one. Okay, how many types are there? Mainly three types are there: composition and functions of Union Council of Minister. Number one, cabinet minister. Number two, Union Council of Minister. Union Council of Minister. Next, deputy minister. Number three, deputy minister. Next, tenure. Okay, tenure. Okay, these are the main important of the functions of Union Council of Minister. Composition and functions of Union Council of Minister. Cabinet minister under the head of the person. Who is the head of the person? Who is the head of cabinet? Prime minister. Prime minister under the giving some advices under the president. The president is also sometimes given some suggestions and other remarks also mainly under the prime minister. So this is the mainly cabinet minister. The cabinet minister discussed about mainly effect of the comptroller and audit general, Union Council of Ministers and councils. For example, Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog head of the person, prime minister. Niti Ayog. Okay, and appointed of the other council generals. Other council generals. Next, Union Council of Ministers. The Union Council of Ministers under the control by the cabinet. Every year, mainly some remain 2 or 3 months affected between 2 to 3 months. Conduct the conference. or conduct the meeting. Who is conduct the meeting? Prime Minister. So actually the Prime Minister conduct the meeting and effect of the mainly under the control by the whole nation. Controlled by the whole nation and about economical powers. And next to effect of the strong type of nation. How to effect of strong nation in every country, not only India and every nation. So the Union Council of Ministers controlled by the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is apology is a total directly ruling for the under the controlled by the Union Council of Ministers or also Prime Minister. Same, for example, in recent classes, previous classes, already we know parliamentary theory system. The parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha also sometimes head of the person under the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister only giving some advices and act any bill or any act announced on the Parliament. Who is announced on the Parliament? Prime Minister. Okay, the bill was passed under the President. Okay, the constitutional, this is total parliament type of constitution, parliamentary type of constitution. Okay, understood? So the Union Council of Minister is this is also under the control by the Prime Minister. Next to Deputy Minister. Deputy Minister is nothing about. Deputy Minister is also one of the Prime Minister after second type of person, Deputy Minister. The Deputy Minister controlled by the whole of the nation under the national conference or national meetings, okay, and international matters, exports and imports. Deputy Minister is also one of the Prime Minister is not absent. There means Deputy Minister controlled by the Union Council of Minister. The Union Council of Minister, it is same under the union level. It is central level. So it is the tenure. What is the main tenure? The tenure is mainly affected. The Union Council of Ministers is 2/3 of the members. 2/3 of the members under the direct ruling of the Sabha, in Sabha and Lok Sabha. So this composition and function. What is the main composition? The composition main effect of the cabinet minister and next council of minister, next union cabinets, union cabinet and council of minister and deputy minister. The deputy minister is also the head of the person under the total whole ministers. Total whole minister. So the total whole minister given some power under the constitution. The constitution some power also given. The power is totally strong type of nation. Okay, it is main power and direct ruling is every constituency under the direct ruling of the power under the deputy minister only. The deputy minister, it is the main power of the system of constitution and total whole of the nation. So this is the main power of the conference and conference type of meeting, financial matters. For example, power and functions. Next topic of power and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Financial matters. Financial matters also we will discuss on the parliament level. Financial matters. Next to cabinet function. Cabinet function. Number 3, national function. National function. Overall, the powers and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Okay. Composition and functions of Union Council of Ministers. How many types? 3 types. Number 1, cabinet minister under the prime minister level. Number 2, Union Council of Ministers. Okay, under the ministers, head of the minister, under the head of the minister. Number 3, deputy minister. Okay, after head of the minister under the Union Council. Number 4, tenure. The tenure is elected. How to select the ministers under the directly selected and some ministers is mainly, for example, Rajya Sabha, indirectly selected in every state-wise legislative assembly and over states. So these are mainly 3 main functions. These are three main functions of the Union Council of Ministers. This is the first method. Union Council of Ministers. Okay, composition and functions. And Union Council of Ministers. How many types here? 3 types. Okay, overall, this is total deputy also one of the four types of categories there. Next second one is called mainly powers and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Okay, what is the main power and functions of Union Council of Ministers? What is the main power? This is also mainly how many types? Three types of powering system there. Number one, financial matters. Financial type of system. The financial economical plans, announcement of the new reforms, new economical reforms and new economical plans. Next your expenditures like budget. Okay, the financial matter under the ministership of the under the union of function of cabinet minister. This is mainly financial matters. Financial matters also we will discuss on the power of the ministers. The financial matters also discussed about union or next to state, union wise and state wise. Already we know the Union Council of Ministers is divided from three type of list: state list, concurrent list, and next to union list. State list under the control by the every state government. Concurrent list. Concurrent list means both level, state and central. Concurrent list. Okay. State list under the control by the every state under the state assembly under the state wise ministers. Concurrent list it is mainly state and national. Okay. State and national. Okay, both level, state and national concurrent list. So and next to union list. The union list under the union minister, union council of ministers. Okay, here level how many type of levels there? Three type of levels. State list to one level, concurrent list to another level. Next to union list, it is under the control by the union council of ministers. Union council of ministers. Okay, these are the main three type of list under the Union Council of Ministers in both level. Union Council concurrent list is both level are there. So powers and functions of Union Council of Ministers, it is mainly three type of matters or three type of functions we will discuss now. Okay, number one, financial matters. Number two, cabinet function, cabinet functions, cabinet planning, cabinet conference like cabinet meeting. The meeting discussed about contemporary issues of India, contemporary issues of in political system and next to economical. Okay, and next to conference of system of the relationship of the nation and other countries, international issues are how to will depend on the social type of system. Okay, cabinet function is also mainly connect the conference and the cabinet function also will help of the concurrent list and national list. The national list also different type of departments also there, agriculture and police administration. Okay, next to forestry, mining. Okay, next to under the control by the council of ministers only. So this is mainly cabinet type of function. The cabinet function two by third by functions mainly under the direct ruling of the prime minister. Next national function. Okay, financial matters, cabinet function. Number three, national function. National functions is mainly about on the country level. Okay, whole of the nation, whole of the country. The national function is mainly under the road and railways and other category, education and health insurance type of policies or schemes. And next about to discuss about under the Union Council of Ministers. The national functions also discuss about union type of council, union council of matters. The union council of matters about it is main power of the national function. So deputy minister also mainly attend the mainly national functions of characters about union type of councils of characters. Okay, next here other characters. What is the number 4 other functions? National functions. Next other functions or other matters. Okay, here today we will discuss mainly the union government is mainly Union Council of Ministers level of the two type of system. Okay, composition and functions of Union Council of Ministers. Number 2, powers and functions. Composition and function. Number 1. Number 2, powers. What is the main power? What is the main power of the council ministers? Union Council of Minister. What is the main power and functions? Okay, characters and how many types? Okay, the powers and functions is how many types? Total almost four types. How many types? Four types. Number one, financial issues, financial problems, the economically announcement of the new reforms, new planning, and about both we were discussed on the parliament level. Okay, cabinet functions, cabinet planning. The cabinet planning also discussed about recently. We discussed in the parliamentary type of functions. Parliamentary conduct the meeting and conference. The whole parliament total under the control by the president and the prime minister. It is the relation between function of the president and prime minister. Okay, the president and prime minister. President only total whole of the authority, constitution authority, constitution leader, constitution main person, head of the person. A total control by the constitution. Okay, ruling and direct elected of the constitution, Indian elected of the constitution, and every state legislative assembly members and cabinet ministers. How to elect the president? Legislative assembly, all states legislative assembly members and other parliamentary assembly members, parliament members also directed by the president type of system. Okay, cabinet function. Next one, national function, national issues. The national function not only depend on one state. Every state under the control by the every state under the control by the nation. Okay, the nation type of struggles, people struggles, and the cabinet planning. Okay, the total discussion about the national function. Next, other functions. The other functions, it is other type of characters. What is other functions? About army and air force and navy. Okay, and country border type of problems, country border lines. And next, the actually it is the mainly waterways department, and road of the system, and it is integration of the market in one state to another state, integration of the market. So we will discuss on the other planning type of system, other planning or other functions, Okay, article number 356. Okay, next topic. Next other topic what? Mainly president rule. Okay, the president rule about article number. The president functions also. The president rule functions also mainly how many types? Three types. First one, national functions. Okay. Okay, hello. Here mainly comparison and functions of union council ministers, and next powers and functions of union council minister. Next article number 356 about okay, president role. Article number 356 mainly under the Constitution of India. Article number 356 president rule only discussion. Okay, the president rule also mainly three type of functions there. First one, what is there? First one is called national integration. National integration. Article number 352. Okay, national integration means it is under the president rule of the system. The president rule suspended of the legislative assemblies under the state base. The governor given some order under the control by the state level. The governor also given complaint under the state working is not properly not working. State base. Okay, the state base proper not working. The governor also given of the president. The president only given some direct ruling of the under the state base. So the state base, the president movement is mainly national emergency also, national state emergency. The president rule, it is also called national state emergency. National state emergency. Okay, national state emergency power. Who is controlled by the national state emergency power? Under the president only. Okay, the president rule article number 356. 356. Okay, national state emergency. It is mainly effect of the under the national integration matters. National integration functions or national integration matter. Article number national integration functions means example here national type of issues. Okay, the emergency period mainly suspended temporarily suspend of the legislative assembly and here human rights also temporarily suspend of the under the state level human rights and state legislative assembly. So continue under the directive ruling of the president. Okay, direct ruling of the president. It is called by national integration of the function. Number two, number one, national integration of function. Number two, council of the function. Council of the function. About council of ministers. Council of ministers also mainly the ministers appointed under the directly of the president. The council of functions also cabinet meetings like state cabinet. Okay, the state cabinet head of the person governor. Governor mainly gives some advices under the directly on president. The president without permission under the direct ruling of the whole state. The whole state under the emergency period also mainly connected. Every time, sometimes it is minimum how many months, so the duration time of minimum 2 months to maximum 6 months. Some states minimum 1 to 2 years also there. Minimum 1 month, so minimum 2 months to maximum 6 months. Okay. Sometimes 1 year also, 1 year and 2 years also may depend the duration may depend on the under the problem of state. The depend on the emergency of the state. Depend on the state minimum 2 months to 6 months. The council of functions. Okay, the main suspend temporarily suspend of the council of minister under the state level. Under the state level. So the president under the directive ruling of the under the state. So it is called a national state emergency. National state emergency. Okay, the national state emergency sometimes minimum 1 year also continues there. Sometimes 1 year, sometimes minimum 2-3 months also there. This is mainly depend on the state politics. The state depend on state politics, depend on the council of ministers. Okay. Number 3, next functions of financial emergency. Financial emergency. Okay, financial emergency like economically the problems created under the control level of the under national wise and state wise. The economical problems also are discussed and solved under the emergency. It is called the financial emergency. Financial emergency also under the article number 370. Article 372. This is the main financial emergency discussing 372 article 352. Okay, article 352 and article 356. Article 356 about president role. Article 352 352 about national integration of council. Okay, next article 372 financial emergency. Financial matters also mainly financial discussion of the under the union cabinet. This is also main discussion of the union cabinet. So the president ruling of system, it is under the concurrent list also we will discuss concurrent list. Okay, the concurrent list it is sometimes temporarily suspend of the judicial power. Okay, the judicial power is also one of the single type of judicial system. So for example, Supreme Court it is also called Apex Court of India. Apex Court of India and the Supreme Court is a final judgment given. The final discuss the matter. Under the total allow the all are the courts under the directly ruling and directly controlled by the supreme level. Supreme means here head of the system, total whole head of the nation, whole head of the system, supreme level of the conference, supreme level of the government. So this is the mainly president rule. Okay, today we will discuss mainly two type of topics. First one, what is there? First one, Union Council of Ministers, functions and comprehensive of Union Council of Ministers. Number two, President rule. Okay, the President rule is also divided into how many type of systems, how many type of characters, three type of characters or three type of functions. Number one, national integration of market, national integration system, national integration system or national integration of the function. Okay, the national integration about to national issues, the national issues about to state wise and some states mainly depend on the nation wise. Okay, we will discuss it under the article number 352, separate their national issues. Number two, council of the functions. The council of the functions also mainly we will discuss it under the article number 350. Article number 350 about under the council of the function, the council of ministers and council of functions. We will discuss on article number 350. Okay, next to financial emergency, the financial matters about self rule, about road, railways, waterways, and next about financial matters under the waterways purpose, the financial issues of judgment, banks and states, insurance. Okay, and next about post offices, communication system, telegram and communication type of system. These are total discussed under the article number 372. Article number 372, financial emergency. So these are under controlled by the president rule. Okay, the president rule is also called national state wise emergency, national state and the emergency. Okay, these are under the Union Council of Ministers. Next topic we will discuss the president role and the president cabinet plan and the Union Council of Ministers. Union Council of Ministers and to tenure. Okay, what is the main tenure of the president rule? The president rule mainly the president about how to elected the president elected indirectly. Okay, all state legislative members and parliament both members will elected all state legislative members and parliament members elected president. The president not elected directly. Okay, not elected under the people, not elected under the directly people. Okay, it is system. This is total. It is total mainly members. The members only elected. Which members? All state legislative members. Okay, and Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members elected every 5 years. Every 5 years period. This 5 years period continue or some new member only elected of the president type of system. The president system, it is the main constitution of the leader, the Indian constitution leader, and the constitution leader and elected of mainly controller and general and all state election commissioner. Okay, next NIFI Council of Ministers. Okay, Union Council of Ministers, head of the executive councils, judges for all high courts, all judges and Supreme Court judge, comptroller and general officers, CAG COG. COG means comptroller, audit general, comptroller, audit general, comptroller, audit general officers also elected under the comptroller audit general. This is the main financial matter. Okay, financial issues about the salaries, pensions schemes, salaries, pension schemes under the control by the COG. Salaries, total all states, retirement age, pensions there are. Okay, workers, the pensions, salaries and increments, the about under the economical issues under the control by the COG. CHK, Controller Audit General Minister, Controller Audit General officers also elected president. So this quote are multiple system of the union government, union cabinet, multiple type of system, whole system. Okay, whole system or multiple type of system under the union government. Okay, children, these are main important of the functions about the union government. Okay, president role, control audit general. Next to prime minister level of the cabinet ministers, union council of ministers. Okay, we will discuss it today. Tomorrow, next another topic about Union Council of Ministers Advisory Committees. The committees how to start the committee members. Okay, and next the president other functions. What is the other function of the president and committee members and conclusion and tenure. The president tenures. Okay, the system of the functions how to change. Okay, it is mainly under the how to control by the union level. Okay, it is discussed in tomorrow classes. Okay, students, thank you.